Falcon 9, Starlink 416, LD is go for launch.
And great news, we are go for launch. Now with all systems go, Falcon 9 takes our 53 Starlink satellites into orbit.
Okay, we are counting up, so we have launched. Again, you're going to look towards the traffic lights. You'll be seeing it in just a few seconds. There it is. Again, folks, you keep down the voice. You'll be able to hear the rocket in about 12 seconds. You're just about 2 seconds from now. That'll stop in just a few seconds. That's very normal.
And we are coming up on max Q here in a few seconds.
Max Q is called maximum dynamic pressure, when the aerodynamic forces are the strongest. The speed and the atmosphere converge at a single point. That's the most stress on the rocket.